Okay, I have tried recording this video so many times, but my dog has been making various noises in the background and I could not focus. So, this is the last time, hopefully, I'll make this video, but I want to show you how to draw onto a Google map using Google Maps. So, if you actually type into Google My Maps, right, you're going to go to a link that looks like this and you're going to click on it. And what this does is it opens up to this landing page. I'm going to close my other pages, right? My duplicates. It opens up to this landing page and it has this little ghost guy. Obviously, you haven't made any maps yet. So you're going to click on create a new map. From here, you are brought to a map of the United States and some of Canada and some of South America regions. And so you're going to click here to search Plymouth Elementary School. Old Ward Bridge Road is the one we want. And then you arrive at a map that looks kind of plain, not really what you're looking for. There are no, parking areas or anything. You can't see where the playground is. You have no point of reference. So what you need to do is on the left sidebar here, underneath on the very bottom is your base map. And what this does, if you click this little arrow, you can change the style of your map. What you want is satellite, the second option here. This will give you a better view of what's going on around the school, of the different pathways. It's a very detailed bird's eye view of the school. You can even see the painted lines, the fire lanes, and everything. So what I want you to do first and foremost is to title your map. So you're going to click on the map title, and I might call this PES 20 to 21 and save it, right? So I have that title. This is a layer. What this just means is these are components that you're adding to your map. So that's one layer of your map. You can add more than one layer, and more layers will appear as you add more things. What you should make sure that you do to stay organized as you're building the map is to go into click on the layer title and title it whatever that layer is. So if you are making a walking route, title that walking route, right? So here I am making sure that I'm keeping up with my titles. Super important as you're working with this map. There are a couple of things I want to show you. Two major tools in this map are the add marker tool and the draw a line tool. So I'm going to add a marker. What this does is essentially there's a marker here for Plymouth Elementary School, the green balloon. So I can add a marker. Maybe I'm going to add one at the back here, right? And maybe I will add the title blue group. I'm not really sure what you intend to plan out with this map or what the groups are called, but I have that name anyway, and I'm pressing save. When I press save, it gives me the location. It also allows me to change the style, and I can actually change it to an icon. So this might be helpful for you if you need those visual aids in the map. I'm going to click more icons, and here are the icons in the library. There's so many to choose from, right? So if you maybe want this to be where they meet during snow season, maybe that's the one that you'll choose. There's so many to choose from. Don't get bogged down in the icon, obviously. But for practical purposes, maybe we will go with somebody who is just, let's see, hiking for the walk group, right? So maybe you want the blue group to be the kids who are walking home, and that's where they're going to exit the building from, right? So that's one thing. You can add as many markers as you'd like to this map, and you can even change the color, as you saw here, probably. Maybe I already called this the blue group. Maybe I want a darker blue, though. Okay? So there's that piece. And the second piece that you definitely need to know is the draw a line tool. Do not really pay attention to the driving route, biking route, walking route tools right now. Just add a line or a shape. That's really all you need. So you're going to see your cursor change into this cross marker. So say I want the kids who are walking to be walking out of this door, right? And I'm going to start clicking here. A white dot will appear, and then I'll be able to drag, see this line around. So maybe I want them to meet here. And then I want them to actually walk along this path over here, walk along the grass, right? Obviously, this is not your real route, but, and then kind of exit out that way, right? If I want to stop drawing my line, see how I still have the line dragging behind me, I just need to click here, see that hand, and click once more, and there is my line, right? So again, I'm going to call this line blue, blue walk. Sorry, that was my dog. She's squeaking a toy, of course, right now. Save, and then I can actually change the style, change the color, but I would suggest going with a brighter color that would stand out against the background. And you can also change the line width right here. So you can drag this, and instead of a thin line, you can get a very thick line. So maybe I will make it a sort of blue color and X out. There we are. So there's my route right here for the walking kids if I were trying to draw the map. And see how this is all underneath your walking route. So these are your components of the map that are under there. Once you're done with your map, how you can actually export this, there are a couple of ways. You can share the map with as many people as you like. This might be helpful to have a digital version. And you can also click these 3 dots here, and you can embed it into your website. You can also print the map out. So I might want this in landscape mode, and I might want it as a PDF and print. Okay. And now I can see here, it already labels everything. See, this is why I wanted to name everything. It pre-labels everything for you, and it gives you the view that you would like. So this is really helpful for folks. I think that this will really help you build a very solid map and really great communication about the different routes around the school.